To show network quality info in the list of available Wi-Fi networks in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe on the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap connection, next tap Wi-Fi. Now tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right and then select intelligent Wi-Fi. Now tap the gray on off switch next to show network quality info until the switch turns blue to turn it on. When this option is on, your phone will provide you network quality info such as network speed, performance, and internet availability in the list of available Wi-Fi networks. Now tap the back key to go back to the preview screen. Under available network section, you can see that your phone will show network quality info on the Wi-Fi network name that you have not connected with before. As you can see, this network has very fast broadband, which means you can use this network connection to stream high quality video without having any problem. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.